Hi guys, just wanted to do a really quick video on why you should pick up Project Emergency Cash. I've put the link in the description. There's three main reasons to pick it up. I'm going to tell you the three main reasons and who it's for in a really quick video, but a video that will help you to eliminate the confusion and the frustration with all this stuff. So if you want to sell products as an affiliate from Clickbank and you actually want to get conversions and you actually want to get sales, here's what Project Emergency Cash helps you with. So Project Emergency Cash was set up to show you specifically how to pick a product that will actually sell. A little tip on that is we're going to go for the actual problem first rather than the stats. So if you look here and we go to health and fitness, the biggest mistake that people make with Clickbank is they go straight into popularity, or they go straight into gravity, and they assume, okay, this has got the highest gravity, so it must be the best converting product on Clickbank in that area. And that's not the case. It's just a figure that's awarded for an affiliate sale. So if you had loads of people promoting off a big list, they'd be getting sales already with people that are interested, and you go in totally new and you don't end up with any sales because you haven't built up any sort of relationship or built any list, and you're sort of adding to they're the ones that profit, and you'll probably lose all your money on your ad budget. So what Project Emergency Cash does, first of all, is shows you how to pick a product that will actually convert. A little tip on that is it's all down to the actual solution and how big the problem is, how urgent the problem needs to be solved. So the only reason people will buy a product, an information product, is it will solve a problem. You want to pick an area where there's a really big problem and a really great solution. So I'll show you exactly how to do that, and that will solve the first hurdle, making sure that you've got a really good product, a really good converting page. The second thing, and probably the biggest mistake, is just sending people straight through to the sales page and hoping for the best, or blasting your site all around the web with automated software. That won't make you any sales. What you want to do is you want to set up a funnel. I'm going to show you how to set up a really simple funnel using free tools or paid tools. I'll show you both. And the purpose of that is to actually help people before they buy anything. So what you want to do with all your marketing, whether it's an affiliate product or anything else, is make sure that you're actually offering some help, or at the very least you have more than one point of contact with them. Okay, so you've got really good information. You give them a free video course or a PDF or a free report, but that has to be done in a certain way. It has to be done to help rather than to sell. So I'm going to show you how to set up a funnel that will sell and help at the same time, and you'll get far higher conversions. And that means if you want to do paid ads, Facebook ads, anything like that, you could do so without running the risk of blowing all your budget just sending people through to a sales page. Very few people like to just be sent a sales page and said, this is the cure. You want to build up a relationship, and I'll show you how to do that with a really simple funnel that you can use to sell anything. I guide you through exactly how to find out what to say on the funnel and what to offer, and I'll show you how to do that step by step. And the third biggest thing is traffic. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a mountain of traffic, build a list for free. I'm going to show you how to do Facebook ads after that, and then make it all automated. So you're going to go through, you're going to learn how to pick an area, a niche, a product that will convert, how to build a simple funnel, all point and click, really simple to do, and you just follow through the videos, you get it set up, and then the traffic isn't left out either. So you just follow the traffic plan, and you'll be making sales. I've put a guarantee on it. Watch this video, you'll find the link in the description. The videos here that will go through step by step everything that we go through on Project Emergency Cash, but I've also put a guarantee on it that if you get set up and you follow the traffic plan I give you and you're not making sales within 14 days, let me know, show me your funnel, and I will give you a full refund. So show me your traffic that you sort of, so you have to follow the traffic plan. It's really easy to do. It doesn't take a lot of time, and it will work. and if it doesn't work within 14 days, I'll give you a full refund. That's how sure I am that this will work for you. It's just a case of getting set up and doing it, and you'll find it will eliminate the frustration. So if you want to just get going and actually make money with Clickbank, this is perfect for you. This is perfect for beginners. This is also perfect for if you're frustrated, if you've tried Clickbank before, if you tried to make money and you're just not getting there for whatever reason. Follow this course and actually do what it says. It's deliberately set up step by step. So you just go through, get set up, and you will also learn how to build a funnel that is really, really simple that you can sell anything from. So I'm going to put the price up on this in 1 day and 5 hours. I've got all the stuff I need to promote this on Facebook ads. That's where it's going, and it will be $99. At the minute you can get in far, far cheaper than that, so do check it out. The price is going up. I've also got a option there if you want the whole thing set up for you. I've got 2 more spots for that, so do check it out. I'd love to have you with me, and I think you'll really, really enjoy the course. Just get going today and start setting it up. You can have this all set up in a weekend or less. So check it out below, and I'll see you inside. Cheers, guys.